now let us proceed with the concept now. So I hope you get to know what is jar file, what is the use of jar file, and how we can create a jar file, and how many ways we can add jar file. I guess all of you got some idea. Yes, and even we have practiced the things, each and everything we practiced in last class. So next very important topic, that is nothing but your design pattern. Next very important concept, that is nothing but design pattern. So guys, whenever you are going to design any application, yes, whenever we are going to design any application, so you have to follow some pattern, right? You have to follow some structure, you have to follow some pattern. That is nothing but design pattern. Yes, let's say if you are going to design an application, we will have one Pojo class, we have a Bean class, and so many things. Yes, so what is Pojo class and all? You don't know, guys. Don't worry. So whenever we are going to design any application, basically we have to follow some structure. Yes, so that in future we can add the functionality whenever it is required. So coming about design pattern, guys, can anyone tell me what is the meaning of design pattern? Any guess? Yes, any guess, guys, what is design pattern? Okay, no idea. Fine, no problem at all. So guys, coming about design pattern, it is nothing but it is an optimized solution for commonly recurring problem. It's nothing but, guys, it is an optimized solution for commonly recurring problem. So what is design pattern? It is an optimized okay. It is an optimized solution for commonly reoccurring problems. Yes, so it is nothing but, guys, it is an optimized solution for commonly reoccurring problems. So you can give an example as MVC architecture. You can give an example as MVC architecture. So MVC architecture is nothing but it is a design pattern. So guys, what is the full form of MVC? Yes, can anyone tell me? Obviously, if you are from CS or IS, you might know what is MVC, and you learned during your engineering days, right? Yes, what is MVC, guys? At least full form. Very good. So MVC stands for, M stands for model, V stands for view, and C stands for control. Yeah. So there was a network issue, guys. Fine. So model, view, controller. Yes. Optimized solution for commonly real. This MVC architecture, guys, you will not learn in case of J2EE. Yes, once you will go for Springs, there I'll teach you or you will learn. Yes, so in case of J2EE, we will see the different type, what is MVC architecture, and that's all. We will not see program and all. So once you go for Springs and all, there you will learn what is Spring, what is MVC architecture, and how it is going to work. But in J2EE, it's not required, so we are not going to learn it. Yes, so basically design pattern is nothing but it is an optimized solution for commonly recurring problem. So whenever we are going to design any application, basically we have to follow some structure. So we will go for design pattern. Now let us take an example of your operators, your telecom operators, telecommunication operators. So let's say, so guys, previously which SIM we used to use previously, like 2 years back, 3 years back, which SIM we were using? Yes, 3 years or 4 years back. Which SIM we were using, guys? BSNL Airtel. So let us start with Aircel, guys. Let us start with. So in case of Aircel, what problem you faced or what problem we were facing? Yes, whenever we are using Aircel, what problem? Yeah, network issue. First thing, network issue were there. Next, network issue. Next, call drop automatically. Call drop, network issue, and let's say that time the cost was high, or let's say data speed. Data speed. That is not up to the mark. Yes, and cost was very high. Cost was very high. Now, so these many problems we had in case of Aircel. Yes, next comes your BSNL. Let us take an example as BSNL. So guys, in case of BSNL, what problem we were facing? Yeah, in case of BSNL, what problem we are facing, guys? So here, data speed. First problem was data speed. Only 3G. Yeah, or you can say cost. So data speed was low, was not up to the mark, and cost was high. Yes. So in case of BSNL also we used to face these many problems. But coming compared to Aircel, network is good, right? Compared to Aircel, network is good. So at least in BSNL we have solved one problem. Yes, in BSNL we are not facing network issue at least. So we have solved one problem in BSNL. Next comes your Airtel. Next comes your Airtel. So guys, in Airtel, what problem we were facing again? In Airtel, net really good. Network is fantastic, no doubt at all, excellent. After that, data speed is good. Data speed, we will get fast internet, we will get 4G. Yes. So network problem has been solved, data speed has been solved. But there is big demerit of this Airtel, guys. Cost was really high. Cost is nothing, but it's very high. Correct. So in Airtel, guys, there is no network issue. Data speed has been corrected. In a sense, here we will get a good data speed. Now, but cost is really high. So next comes your Jio. Next comes your Jio. Now coming about Jio, so there is no network issue. This network problem has been solved. Next, even data speed is really good. Data speed is really good. Coming about cost, so Jio is very cheap. Correct? So even in case of Jio, the cost has been reduced. So the cost of calling and everything, guys, it has been reduced. So guys, coming about these operators, can I say Jio is an alternate solution or Jio is an optimized solution for Aircel? Yes, Jio is an optimized solution for Aircel, BSNL, and Airtel. Yes, can I say, guys, Jio is nothing but optimized solution for Aircel, BSNL, Airtel, right? So I can consider Jio as nothing but design pattern. Yes, because here we are not going to face problem. Might be sometimes we'll face, but that's okay. So here your Jio is nothing but, guys, it is an optimized solution. So similarly, whenever we are going to design any application, follow one pattern. Yes, we have to follow one design pattern. So MVC architecture is one of the model which is going to follow some design pattern. Yes, MVC architecture, guys, it's one of the model which will follow some. So coming about design pattern, it is of two types. Yes, of two creational design pattern. DP means design pattern, guys. No daily pick, okay? Or yes, DP means yes. So first type is creational design pattern, and second type is factory design pattern. First type is creational design pattern, and second type factory design pattern. So guys, coming about design pattern, it is of two types. First is creational design pattern, and second is factory design pattern. Yes, first is creational, and second one is factory. So let us discuss these two things one by one. Yeah. So just now we learned what is design pattern and what is the like one example of design pattern in case of application development. MVC is nothing but it is a design pattern. But in case of your operators, telecom operators, your Jio, we can say it's an optimized solution. So Jio is going to give a design pattern for the other telecom operators so that they can follow and they can proceed. They can like yeah, they can follow them. They can follow you and they can try to serve the customers. So now, as discussed, this design pattern is of two types, guys. First is creational design pattern. First is creational design pattern, and second one is factory design pattern. First is creational design pattern, and second one is factory design pattern. So, guys, coming about first type, the creational design pattern, it involves only object creation logic. Yes, or let's say it involves only object creation. It involves only object creation. So, guys, in case of creational design pattern, user is going to create the object. Yes, just user will create the object of design pattern. So basically, in case of creational design pattern, it involves only object creation. Now, coming about your factory design pattern, it is the one, which creates or produces, which creates or produces. Yes, coming about factory design pattern, it is the one which creates or produces different object of same type. Different object of same type. Yes, so coming about factory design pattern, guys, it will create, yeah, or we can say it is the one which creates or produces different object of same type. Different object of coming about factory design pattern. Yes, coming about this factory design pattern, it will take input as string. Coming about factory design pattern, it will take input as string and it will return output as yes, and it will return output as object. It will take input as string and it will return output as object. Always remember, guys, this factory design pattern. Yes, this factory design pattern is going to take, yes, this factory design pattern, let's say FDP factory design pattern will take input as string as input, and it will return output as object. output as object. So guys, whatever we are discussing, these things are very important for your upcoming classes. Yes, still we are learning Mahabharata Ramayana, right? We are learning the theories. Yeah, we are preparing for the war, right? So once we are prepared for the war, then we can start fighting, right? We can go in war field or we can start. So that's what just we are preparing for the war. So these concepts are very important. So guys, second is factory design pattern. So what is factory design pattern in the sense? It is the one which creates or produces different object of same type. So throughout your J2EE, you will talk factory design pattern. So coming about factory design pattern, it will take input as string and it will return output as object. It will return output as object. So guys, can anyone give me an example of this factory design pattern? Yes, according to definition, guys, can anyone give me an example? Anything which will take some input as string and which will return some object as output? Yes, and this object basically should be of different, yeah, different objects should be there, but should be same. Yes, any example, guys? Anything which will create different object of same type, any factory, something like this? Yes, any example, guys, of factory design pattern? That's okay, right or wrong it can be. Wrapper class, okay. File handling, okay. Yeah, that's good. Wrapper class, no doubt at all. Even collection, yes. Collection will take input as value and it will internally upcasting will happen and all the value will be converted to object type. Yes, that's good. Yes. So guys, let us consider an example. Let us consider an example something as, let us take an example of your watch factory. Let us take an example of watch factory. So guys, this watch factory, what watch factory will take as input? Yes, what input watch factory will take? Yes guys, what input? So basically watch factory is going to take input as raw materials. It will take input as what, guys? Raw materials. So let us consider this watch factory will take input as some value. It will take input as value. So let me consider, guys, this watch factory is the factory design pattern. This watch factory is nothing but this is a factory design pattern. So now this watch factory is going to take input as, like it will take input as raw material. Let's say that is nothing but value. Now what this watch factory will return? What this watch factory is going to return, guys? It will return object basically. Yes, it will return object, something as that object will be nothing but watch. That object will be nothing but watch. So it will return the object watch. Now, this watch factory will produce only one type of watch. Yes, whether this watch factory will produce only one type of watch, guys, or different types? Different types. So it can, this watch factory can produce analog watch. Yes, digital watch. Yes, and so many things. But the type will be same. Can I say the type will be same, guys? It will produce watch itself. It will produce object as watch, but type will, yes, object can be different. It can be object of analog watch, it can be object of digital watch, and so many. Let's say it will produce something else. This watch factory is going to produce different brands of watches. Let's say Fast Track, Titan, and dot 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 dot. Yes. So this watch factory is taking raw material, yes, as input. So we can say value. What it is returning? It is returning object. It is returning object of watch as output. But this object, this watch can be of different types object. We are getting different of, it can be object of fast track, it can be object of Titan, it can be object of so many things, guys. Yes, Sonata and so many things. But it will, the object type will be same. Yes, again, listen carefully, guys. Object type will be same, but it will be of different. We will have different object, but we will have type will be same. See, watch factory will not produce Horlicks, right? Watch factory is not going to produce Horlicks. Watch factory will not produce Bonvita. The watch factory will produce watch itself, but the watch will be of different types. That's what I said. Factory design pattern is the one which creates or produces, different object of same type. So here we can have different object. Yeah, we can have fast track object, we can have like Sonata and so many things, but type will be same. The object will remain same. The object will be watch itself. So coming about this factory design pattern, we have to pass, it will take input as string and it will return output as object. So guys, similarly, can you give me an example of factory design pattern? Any other example? Yes, any other example, guys? Car, okay, good. Yes, bike, okay. Mobile factory, that's good. Cycle, yeah. So guys, in last batch, I asked example of watch factory from your friends. They said Horlicks. They said Horlicks factory. And it will produce different types of Horlicks. It will produce different types of Horlicks. That is your normal Horlicks, it can be your child Horlicks. Yes, normal Horlicks, child Horlicks. Then baby Horlicks, chocolate Horlicks, yes, women Horlicks, and so many things. So last, I asked the same thing from your senior. Can you give me an example? So your friends, your senior friends, they gave example as Horlicks factory. So Horlicks factory is taking input as, yeah, input as raw material and returning different types of Horlicks. So that's all. This is all about your design pattern and different types. Yes, I hope you got an idea, guys. Yes, I hope you got an idea what is design pattern and what are the different patterns we have. Once we will go for program, we will explore the things, guys. No need to worry. So, guys, my voice is breaking. People are not able to hear me properly. Is it? Okay, sometimes. Okay, just a second, guys. Just a second. Yes. So, guys, if my voice is breaking, you have to just let me know in chat box. Otherwise, the things will be not that efficient, right? I hope you now it's not breaking, right? Still it's breaking, guys. Okay. So, guys, all of you take down subheading as design pattern and please copy down these points. Yes, all of you take down subheading as design pattern and please copy down these points. Yes, done. Okay, guys, please copy down. Don't think as the sir, I'll take pick later, I can copy down. Okay, just 3 to 4 points I'm giving. Yes, so take down these points. Yeah, copy down the points, guys, along with example, one example at least. So guys, once you are done, let me know. Copy down the notes now itself during the class itself better, guys. I'm not giving you Ramayana Mahabharata 10 pages for each concept, just 3 to 4 lines. Okay. So guys, I hope all of you had copied, right? We'll see the example. Don't worry, Anand. Yes, Anand will see the example of creational design pattern as well. Okay, so let us proceed, guys. So this is all about a design pattern and different types along with example. Once, yes, guys. Okay, so next concept we have discussed that is abstraction. Next concept, guys, we have to discuss that is abstraction. I hope all of you know the definition neatly, no doubt at all. Yes, all of you know the definition, guys. Abstraction. So guys, you know what is abstraction in the sense? Here we are going to hide the implementation. Here we are going to hide the implementation and we will provide only functionality. So only functionality will be provided. Yes, so here we are going to hide the implementation and we are going to provide the functionality. So guys, how we can achieve abstraction? Now my next question, how we can achieve abstraction, guys? Yes, very good. So if you want to achieve 100% abstraction, we have to make use of interface. Yes, we have to make use of interface. Fine. Now, guys, what is the advantage of abstraction? Yes, what is the advantage of abstraction? Okay, so all of you are going to say security. All of you are going to say security. Next, only one advantage we have. Okay, that's good. Data hiding you can't say. Data hiding we can achieve with the help of encapsulation. Yes, we can achieve data hiding with the help of encapsulation. Data privacy also you can't see because here we are not able to hide the data. Here just we are implementing. Here we are just hiding the implementation. So if you want to hide the data, we have to go for encapsulation. We have to declare member as private and so many things. But you know, in case of, yes. Yeah. So first thing you can say, guys, security. Very good. It is going to reduce the complexity. Reduce the complexity. And next is code reusability. No, that is inheritance. Yeah. Next, very important is nothing but loose coupling. Nothing but loose coupling. So these are the advantages of abstraction we have. These are the advantages of abstraction, guys, we have. So now, what is loose coupling, guys? What is loose coupling here? Yes, what is loose coupling? Okay, before that, guys, what is the output of abstraction? What is the output of abstraction? Why we will hide the implementation and we are providing only the functionality? Yes, what is the output? Very good, Sandhya. Okay, guys, good. There is nothing but loose coupling. This output is nothing but loose coupling. So output of abstraction is nothing but loose coupling. So guys, now you know loose coupling. In last class itself we discussed change in the implementation which will not affect the user. Yes, change in the implementation which will not affect the user. So I gave one example also if you remember, Dinga and Dingy. Yes, Dinga is not showing his love to Dingy, right? So if Dinga will move on also, Dingy won't be affected. Yes, just Dinga is going to take care of Dingy, but he's not showing his love. Yes, so later if Dinga will move on, then still Dingy won't be affected. Yes, so that is a small example. Now, guys, can you give me a real-time example where abstraction is implemented? Yes, can you give me a real-time example where abstraction is implemented? Yes, very good. Yes, so guys, almost in each and every application, these things is going to happen. Yes, this implementation will be hidden. So let us take an example. Let us take an example of your ATM. Let us take an example of ATM. Okay, roughly, guys. Roughly take an example as ATM. So with the help of ATM, guys, what and all we can do? With the help of ATM, what and all we can do? Yes, so basically what we can do, guys, we can check our balance. So balance check. Yes, after that we can withdraw the amount. We can perform withdraw operation. Yes, after that we can deposit also. Yes, even we can deposit. So by using ATM, guys, basically we can perform these many functionality. Yes, so can I say this is nothing but, guys, these are nothing but it is a functionality of your ATM. This is nothing but guys, your functionality of ATM. So yes, user can see the functionality of ATM. Now, whenever you will go inside ATM, guys, once you will go inside, once you will go inside ATM, yes, you can perform these operations. How internally you will get the money, internally how you will deposit the money, how you are fetching the balance is it's not known, right? Let's say what you will do, once you will go inside ATM, you will insert your card. Yes, you are going to insert one debit card. So internally, your card will be processed, your data will be verified with respective database. So, and you can perform the operation. But what internally, what is happening, it's not known. Yes, internally, how you are able to get the money, how like your money has been stored, how it has been updated, you don't know. So guys, let's say for each and every ATM, we will have some database. Yes, obviously for each and every ATM, guys, you will have some database. So let's say once you will go inside ATM, you will insert the card. After inserting the card, you are going to insert the PIN. You are going to insert the PIN. So basically what this ATM will do, it will make a request to database. Yes, this ATM is going to make a request to database, or it will check your data in database, whether this PIN is valid or not. Yes, so first this ATM is going to make a request to database. Now, if your PIN is valid, so we can say for this request, so first your ATM will make a request. So for this request, this ATM will get back response. So first ATM is going to make a request. For this first request, ATM will get some response. So basically what request ATM will make? What request ATM is going to make? In the sense whether this PIN is correct or not. So after that, database is going to give some response. If PIN is correct, yes, PIN is correct. If PIN is wrong, you will get incorrect. So how this ATM is connecting to your database, we don't know. Just we can perform the operation. So can I say, guys, these internal things is hidden here. How this ATM is going to make a request and response. This is hidden from the user. Yes. Now let's say, this thing is basically hidden from the user. So for each and every ATM, we will have some IP address as well. We will have some IP address. Even user don't know the IP address. Yes, guys, even user don't know. So these are nothing but, guys, these are implementation. IP address, how this ATM is going to communicate with the database. These are the implementation. Yes, basically, these are the implementation of the ATM, which is hidden from user. User can only perform balance inquiry, withdraw, deposit. So why these things are hidden? Just for security purpose. Why it's hidden? Security. Because if known to the, if you are a good hacker, if you are you can change the code, you can withdraw the money, right? So for the security purpose itself, this implementation is hidden. Now let's say, guys, you want to know. So okay, so guys, now you are really eager and interested to know the implementation. Yes, really you are eager and interested to know the implementation of this ATM. You are really eager and interested to know the implementation of this ATM. So what you will do, you will go to bank. Yes, directly you are really interested. I want to know the implementation, how this ATM is going to work. So what you will do, guys, you will go to bank. So once you will enter the bank, guys, who will be there? Yes, once you will enter the bank, who will be there, guys? Manager. Directly you are going to reach to manager. First, you have to contact the guard. Correct? First, you have to contact the guard, guys. Yeah. So first you will go and you will contact to guard. You will say, Sir, I want to know about this internal implementation. So internal implementation of your, so don't know. So guard will say go to reception and ask. So later you, and here you can see one beautiful lady who will be sitting, right? You can see guys, one beautiful lady who will be sitting here. So now again you will go, you will ask with her. You will go, you will ask with her, Madam, I want to know the implementation. I want to know implementation, how your ATM is working. So now what this lady will say, guys? You will go, you will ask with the lady, Sir, I want, Madam, I want to know the implementation. Can you let me know how your ATM is working and what is the IP address of your ATM? You will go, you will ask. You are eager to do each and everything. You will ask where your database is present, Madam. I want to know. Yes, what IP address you are using, I want to know. Yes, what technology you are using, I want to know. So now what this lady will do, guys? What this lady will do now? She won't tell. Yes, she won't tell. So yeah. So basically she'll say, guys, sir, once you will insert the card, your card will be validated with our respective database. Yes, your card will be validated with bank database. So once the card is validated, you can perform the operation. Yes. So again, you will say, no, 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 you are such a dabba fellow. Okay. So you will say, no, madam, I want to know your IP address itself. I'm very eager. I want to design my own ATM. Oh God, just a second, guys. Now, guys, is it okay? Now, is it okay, guys? Still breaking? Yeah. So there is so much network issue, guys, because of rain and all. Yeah, because of rain and all, guys, so much like. Now, guys, you can hear me, right? Better, I guess. Okay. So see, so guys, again, you will ask from the lady. No, madam, I want to know the implementation. Yes, I want to know the implementation, how your ATM is going to work. Now, since you are going to argue with her, she'll do. So she'll go inside. Yeah, she'll say, you, sir, just wait for 1 minute. I'll just call the manager. Okay, she gives left and right. Okay, wait. She'll give left and right also, but she won't give. She'll call someone else. Yeah. So now she'll call the manager. She'll call the manager. Now again, once the manager will come, you are going to start the same drama. You will ask the same question. Madam, I want to know. Sorry, not madam. This time it is right. I want to know what IP address you are using, where, yes, where your database is present, and so many things. Yes, so you are going to ask these things again. Yes, guys, there's network issue. Yes, yeah, there was a network issue, guys. Now I hope it's okay. You can hear me, right? Yes, now guys, can you hear me? Is it better? Yeah. Okay. So guys, again you will start the drama. You will ask from this bank manager also, I want your IP address and all. Now guys, since again you are going to argue with this manager, event manager is not able to control you. So later what will happen guys? What manager will do? Okay, SBI counter number 5. Okay. So see, even my manager is not able to handle you. So what manager will say? Manager will say, sir, please wait for 1 minute. I'll just give you all the information. Let me take a printout for all the document where this IP address is present. So just manager will tell you to wait. Okay, he will tell you to wait in some place. Yeah. So, but internally, what manager will do? Manager will go inside his cabin and he will dial 100 is going to dial 100. Later, police will come. Yes, later, guys, police will come and he will give you all the information neatly. Yes, once police will come, police will give you all the information. Even he will take you to the database where the database is present. He will take you to the place where the database is present. And this police will let you know all the IP address, whatever this bank people is using. So guys, basically, I want to say why this implementation is hidden just for the security purpose. Just for the security purpose. Yes, now, yeah, so police will give you all the information, guys, because even that manager is not able to handle you. The police will take care of you now. Yeah. So now, guys, let's say this ATM again, this ATM is working on a language Java. This ATM is working on a language Java. In future, one new language came. In future, one new language came. The name of language is Java. The name of language is Java. If Java is better than Java, then what these bank people will do? They will shift Java to Java. Yes, this bank people is going to shift Java to Java. So guys, if either it is Java, 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 whatever it is, still you can perform these operations. Still you can perform the operation. Either the language is Java, Java, Python, or it is C, C++, whatever language they are using, still you are able to perform this operation. The user is not affected. Either this ATM is using Java or Java. Yes, but still you can perform these operations. User is not affected. So that's what, guys, the output of abstraction is loose coupling. Sincere implementation Yes, guys, seriously, there's some issue with this app itself. Yeah, now it's okay. You can hear me, guys. Okay, screen is not visible. I paused it. Yeah. There's problem with this Dabba go to webinar, guys. Because I tested my internet speed also. It's okay, not that bad. Good result. Okay, so let's proceed, guys. Yes, so we were talking about this. Yeah, so in future, if they will change from Java to Java, still user can perform this operation as balance inquiry, withdraw, and deposit. So in that case, since the implementation is hidden, user won't be affected, guys. That is nothing but your loose coupling. That is nothing but loose coupling. So guys, basically we are going to hide the implementation for these two reasons. For the security purpose, and second thing is to achieve loose coupling. Now guys, can we create an object for interface? My doubt is, can we create an object for interface? Yes, no doubt at all, guys. We are not able to create the object for interface. Now, if we want to access the functionality of interface, then what we will do? No doubt at all, guys. There is no way to create the object of interface. Now, if I want to access the functionality of interface, then what we need to do? Okay. So guys, remember the object of interface cannot be created. The object of interface cannot be created. But implementation object can be created, guys. Yes, so the object of interface cannot be created, but implementation object of interface can be created. Yes, so we can create the implementation object. Normal object cannot be created. Now my question is, how we can create an implementation object? Yeah. Now, how we can create an implementation object is, okay, generalization, specialization, not exactly. Okay, is we can create an implementation object. Yes, we can create an implementation object by using a method, that is factory or helper method. That is factory or helper method. So in case of singleton class, I hope you know what is factory helper method, guys. So we are not able to create the normal object of interface, but we can create, yes, we can create a implementation object. Yes, we cannot create a normal object, guys, but we can create an implementation object. Now, how we can create implementation object, guys? Yes, how we can create an implementation object? Yes, so basically we can create an implementation object by using factory or helper method. Using factory or helper method. So what is factory helper method? In the sense, it is the one which helps user to create an implementation object, which helps user to create an implementation object of an interface. So guys, normally we cannot create the object for interface, but we can create implementation object. So how we can create implementation object? So by using a factory or helper method, by using a factory or helper method. What is factory helper method, guys? Basically, it is a type of method or it is a method which helps user to create an implementation object. Which helps user to create implementation object. No, we can create multiple objects here. We are not going to use singleton class. Yes. So with the help of factory helper method here, we can create multiple objects. Yes. So guys, now my question is, what is interface, guys? Now my question is, what is interface? How we can define interface, guys? Okay. So guys, forget your Java again. Yes, forget your core Java, whatever you have learned, definition block and all. So coming about interface, guys, it is a medium. Coming about interface, it is a medium between, it is a medium between user and device. It is a medium between user and device. Yes. So what is interface, guys? It is a medium between user and device. So can you give me an example of interface? Can you give me an example of interface, guys? Okay, so guys, you can give an example. You can give an example as your, let's say you want to turn on. Yes, you want to turn on and turn off the light. Yes, if you want to turn on and turn off the light, what you will do? You will go internally and you will connect the wire. No, you will not go and you will connect the wire. So if you want to turn on and turn off the light, you are going to make use of switch. Yes, you can make use of switch. So here switch is going to act as interface. Yes, now let's say if you want to talk with your friend. Yes, if you want to talk with your friend, what you need? If you want to talk with your friend, what you need? Phone, right? You need a phone. So again, this phone is nothing but interface. Yes, let's say if you want to do video call. Yes, if you want to do video call to your friend, so you will make use of an application that is WhatsApp. So WhatsApp is nothing but interface. Yes, WhatsApp is nothing but interface. If you want to turn on, turn off the TV, you will make use of TV remote. Again, is an interface. So these are the example of interface, guys. These are the example of interface. Very good. Even operating system. Yes, if you want to utilize the, if you want to access the CPU, or let's say if you want to use the laptop, yes, you need some software that is nothing but operating system. So guys, can I say with the help of switch, we are able to hide the implementation? Yes, with the help of switch, we don't know. Once we will turn on and turn off the switch, light will be on and off. But we don't know the internal implementation. We don't know the internal wiring of the light. Yes, next, let's say phone. Again, if I'll take an example as phone, yes, with the help of phone, we can make a call. But how the call is connected internally, what is happening, we don't know. Yes. So let's take an example of WhatsApp as well. So again, WhatsApp is an application. You will click on video call button, but what will happen internally, it is not known to the user. Yes, it is not known to the user. So guys, with the help of interface, we can achieve abstraction. Yes, and what is interface in the sense? It is a medium between user and device. It is nothing but, guys, it is a medium between user and device. So guys, what and all we have discussed up to here. So we discussed what is abstraction. Yes, we discussed what is abstraction. So abstraction is nothing but the process of hiding the implementation and providing only the functionalities to the user. So guys, here might be spelling mistakes, so just ignore it, okay? So now what is the output of abstraction, guys? It is nothing but loose coupling. And how we can achieve the abstraction? So with the help of interface. With the help of interface. Now, what is loose coupling? So loose coupling is nothing but change in the implementation which will not affect the user. So loose coupling is implemented in all the real-time application. Yes. Now, what is tight coupling in the sense? Change in the implementation which will affect the user. Which will affect the user. Now, what is interface? It is a medium between user and device. It is medium between user and device. So you can take an example as OS, ATM, GUI, screen, switch, and so many things. Now, can we create an object of an interface? Interface. Can we create an object of interface? Yes, we know guys, object of interface cannot be created. No object cannot be created. No object cannot be created. But implementation object can be created. Implementation object can be created using factory or helper method. Using factory or helper method. Yes, we can create an implementation object by using factory or helper method. Now, so these things, guys, they'll ask in interview. Yeah, so you have to give a special care, guys. Small definition is very important, guys. Now, helper or factory method. Helper or factory method. So basically, guys, it is a method, or we can say it is the one which helps user to create an implementation object. It is the one, guys, which helps user to create implementation object. So guys, these many things we have discussed up to now. Yeah, these many things we have discussed. So guys, now don't copy, just take down pic or screenshot and later you copy down. Because we have wasted so much time already because of this network thing. Yes, so just take down pic or screenshot, guys, later you can copy down. Yes, I hope whatever we have discussed, guys, no doubt at all. Anand, see, we will achieve abstraction with the help of abstract class as well. But with the help of abstract class, we are not able to hide the complete implementation. Yes, we are not able to hide the complete implementation. We can hide the partial implementation. Yes or no, guys? With the help of, yeah, we can achieve abstraction with the help of abstract class. But whenever we will use abstract class, guys, can we hide complete implementation? Yes, with the help of abstract class, can we hide complete implementation, guys? Is it possible? No. So now my question is, why with the help of abstract class, we are not able to hide complete implementation? Yes. Now my question is, why with the help of abstract class, we are not able to hide the complete implementation? Yes, anyone? Why we are not able to hide the complete implementation, guys? Yes, anyone, can you tell me why with the help of abstract class? Very good. Okay, method won't be private here. Yes, so guys, only reason only reason why we are not able to hide the complete implementation, because abstract class allows concrete method as well. Yes, abstract class allows concrete method as well. So whenever we will declare concrete method, then we have to provide the implementation itself. Yes. So let's say I'm going to declare a method M1. So if I declare concrete method, then we need to provide implementation itself. Yes, so because abstract method allows abstract class allows concrete method. That is the reason we are not able to hide the complete implementation. Yes, is it okay now? So we will make use of interface itself in case of abstraction, because here we have to hide the complete implementation base. Because we have to hide the complete implementation. So that is the reason we will go for interface. So guys, all of you take down quick or screenshot fast. Yeah, fine guys. So this is all about the basic things we are learning now. Yeah, what is interface, what is abstraction, what is the need of interface, and what is abstraction. Yes, these many things we learned. So now we'll proceed for the next topic, that is, yeah, let us proceed for the next topic, guys. Okay. So guys, we have discussed what is factory design pattern, right? Yes, just now we have discussed what is factory design pattern. So which we have discussed, factory design pattern is nothing but it is the one which creates, yes, it is the one which creates multiple or let's say different type of same object. It will create different type of same object. Sorry, same type of different object. Yes, it will create guys same type of different objects. So we saw an example, that is watch factory. It will create watch itself, but object can be of different types. Yes. Now guys, coming about factory design pattern. This factory design pattern involves few different logics. Yes, this factory design pattern, guys, it involves three different logics. So let us proceed. Next concept. So let's say factory design pattern, DP logics. I'm giving. So basically factory design pattern involves three different logic. So first logic is nothing but your implementation logic. First logic is nothing but guys, implementation logic. So again, I'm repeating, factory design pattern involves three different logic. So first logic is your implementation logic. Second logic is object creation logic. Second logic is object creation logic. And third logic is your consumer or utilization logic. Third logic is your consumer or utilization logic. Yes, so that's what this factory design pattern contains, or it has three different logic. So first is implementation logic, second is object creation logic, and third one is consumer or utilization logic. Third one is consumer or utilization logic. So guys, whenever we are going to design any application, yes, first, whenever we will start designing any application, so what we should have first? Let's say I want to design a real-time application. So first, what we should have? Okay, let's say I want to design a real-time application, guys. So what we should have? We should have requirement, very good. We should have what, guys? We should have something as requirement. Let's say we should have requirement, or let's say we should have the blueprint. We should have, guys, blueprint or design. Yes, so we should have first what, guys? Requirement, blueprint or design. So once we will get the blueprint or requirement of an application, next what we will do? Next, guys, what we will do? We will start the development. Yes, we will start the development, starting the development of an application. So guys, first, if you want to design an application, so first either you should have what requirement or you should have blueprint of an application. Once you will get an application, guys, next what you will do? You will start developing the application. Yes. So let's say you collected the blueprint. Next, you develop the application. After development, guys, after development, what you will do? Yes, you will do testing. Okay, let's say you will develop an application and you will test itself. You will develop and you will test your application there itself in the same process line, same step. So step one, we will collect the requirement, we will have the blueprint, we will develop an application and we will test the application. After testing the application, guys, what we will do? We will deploy. Yes, we will deploy, or we are going to, can I say we will use the application? Yes, can I say we will use the application? We will not going to use any technical term, deployment and all, right? Yes, so first what will happen, guys? First, we will get the requirement, we will have the blueprint. Next, we will start the development of an application. We will do testing as well, and then we will utilize the application. Yes, so guys, coming about the first step, fetching the requirement or getting the requirement is nothing but your implementation logic. Fetching or getting the requirement is nothing but your implementation logic. Now, once you will get the implementation, so basically what is implementation logic in the sense? It is the basic fundamental logic. It is the basic fundamental logic which contains only implementation, according to which an application or according to which an object has to be created. So guys, coming about the first logic, I can say it is nothing but it is a basic fundamental logic according to which we have to create the object. We have to create the object, or we have to start. We have to create the object. Now, next comes your object creation logic. So object creation logic is nothing but you will create the object. You will create the object based on implementation logic. And once this object creation logic is done, you will go for consumer or utilization logic. So consumer utilization logic is nothing but you will access the functionality. Let us understand with one more example, guys. Let's say you want to build a house. So if you want to build a house, guys, first what you should have, again, yes, if you want to build a house, again, you should have what? Blueprint. You should have blueprint. So this blueprint is nothing but it is your basic building of your house. Yes. Now, once you will collect the blueprint, you will start building the house. Once house is built, what he will do, guys? Once house is completed, next what he will do? Housewarming. Okay. So once house is built, you will stay in house. So here also, guys, you can say build. Creating a blueprint is nothing but implementation logic. So now, once you have blueprint, you will build the house based on this blueprint itself. That is nothing but object creation logic. Once house is built, you will do puja and all, and then you will stay in the house. That is nothing but your consumer utilization logic. So guys, in the same way, if you start developing an application, we have to follow these three things. First, we will have implementation logic. So we will have a plan. Next, we will have object creation logic. We will start developing an application. Next, we will have consumer utilization logic. So here we will use the application to perform some operation. So that's all, guys. Factory design pattern involves these many logics. So guys, all of you take down the subheading as, all of you take on subheading as factory design pattern logics. And just copy down the points. Just a second, guys, just a second. Yeah, and copy down the points. Yes, take down subheading, guys, and please copy down the points. Again, many spelling mistakes are there, guys, just ignore it. Yes, now take down fast. So for any application development, these logics will be involved, guys. Yeah, and just go through. If you have any doubt, you can ask, guys. Yes, just copy down the points. And if you have any doubt, you can ask. Yes. So guys, is it done? Have you copied the points? Okay, okay, take your own time, guys. If you are not done, then copy down because these concepts are very important. Okay. So guys, we'll see the program. So all of you are getting now. Yeah. Any doubt up to here? What is design pattern? What is factory design pattern? And what are different logics? Any doubt up to here, guys? Just go through. Give me 1 minute. Yes. Just go through, guys. If you have any doubt, please ask. So guys, go through. Don't waste your time. Go through once. Yes, guys, go through the requirements. Sorry, go through the topics, not requirement. So for the requirement announcement, guys, now HR will join. So there's a requirement for Java and SQL pursuing as well as J2EE pursuing, guys. So now HR will join for the requirement. They will announce the requirement. If you are matching, you can register it now itself. Yes. So now HR will join the meeting, guys. So just wait for 1 minute. Till that, revise the concepts. Yeah, this requirement is for 2019, 2020, and 2021. Yes, IS, CS, and EC, IT. So once HR will join, he will let you know the complete thing so you can register now itself. Just wait for 1 minute, guys. Till that, go through the concepts. Please don't waste your time. Yeah. Just go through the concepts. If you have any doubt, please, you can ask. So Santosh, you need to change your Eclipse. That's what I said. Change the Eclipse to Neon 3. Yes. I hope all of you have installed the software. Yes, all of you install Eclipse and MySQL and SQL Yoga, right? Because from next class, we need the software, guys. So keep the things ready. So from next class, we will not have theory, guys. We will see the programs. So in next class, we will see how we can implement these logics in a program, in a Java program. So we will implement all the logic, that is implementation logic, object creation logic, and consumer utilization logic. So we'll see the program. So now we will not have that much theory. We'll start the program. We'll see the program in next class, guys, where we'll implement all these logics. Just a second, go through the points. We'll wait for 1 minute. HR will join regarding the requirement, guys. Nisha, which data was like you gave some wrong password then. While installing the software, you gave some wrong password. So uninstall it once again and then you need to install. Whatever password you are giving at the time of installing my database, MySQL database, same password you have to use. So uninstall and install once again. Yes, others you are able to install, have installed the software. Okay, that's good. That's good. Just a second, guys. HR is joining now. He's joining. He's on the way. Yeah, he's connecting now with us. So, guys, regarding recorded session, I need to check with management. Yes, I need to check with management. So if possible, then only if management will allow, then only I can share the video. So let me check it today, guys, in meeting. So if possible, if they will say, then we'll share in the next class. Yeah, I agree, Chetan. No problem. Let me check. Let me check. Okay, then Nisha, your software has not been installed, I guess. Yeah, you said software has not been installed successfully. MySQL database. Yeah, you have to select no update available. Yes. Okay, Chetan, we'll say we'll try to share you by tomorrow. Yeah, Nisha, just try once again. If you're getting again error, we'll help you out in tomorrow's class. Yeah, we'll see in tomorrow's class. Oh, just a second, guys. The child is taking so much time to join the session. Let me check. Let me check with them. One second. So this is a requirement, so better you need to register, guys. So I'm waiting for the HR. Abhishek, change your Eclipse. If you are getting, see, if you are anyone is getting navigator deprecated, I need to change the Eclipse. So guys, yeah, HR is not able to join. So I hope all of you will get the requirement in group.